Dear student, welcome back to everybody to our online classes on behalf of Chorashid Baranda Degree College. Hi dear student, this is Sujal Chandra Borman, lecturer chemistry Chorashid Baranda Degree College. Dear learners, in our previous classes I have discussed about the electrophilic substitution of benzene and their mechanism. Today I will discuss on multi-substitution reaction of benzene and their orientation. So dear student, let us see our today's topic. Today's topic is multi-substitution reaction of benzene and their orientation. Dear student, before going through this topic, we have to learn about the position of carbon of benzene. Dear student, see that this is benzene, structure of benzene. Here the 6 carbon. This only in benzene, these 6 carbon atoms are equivalent. But if any substituent is present, if present in benzene, then the carbon atom will not be equivalent. Like us, here let us say that X is a substituent. Then the carbon atoms will not be equivalent. In respect of this, we have to know the position of this carbon atom. If we number in this carbon atom, then we have to number in from this. This carbon atom is number 1. Next is 2. This is 3. This is 4. And this is 5, and this is 6 number carbon atom. As these carbon atoms are not equivalent, we have to know the position of this carbon. Dear student, let us see that here 2 and 6. This is 2 and this is 6. 2 and 6 carbon is known as ortho. This means ortho position. 3 and 5 number carbon is known as meta. That means meta position. And number 4 carbon atom is known as para position. Because ortho means near. Dear student, in respect of this number 1 carbon atom, this 2 and 6 position are most near carbon atom. For this is known as ortho position. 3 and 5 is known as meta. Meta means medium distance. Here see that this 3 and 5 carbon atom in respect of 1 carbon atom is medium distance. But 4 is far. That means this is para. Para means far distance. Here 4 number carbon is far distance. So there are 3 types of carbon atoms. This is ortho position, meta position, and para position. Dear student, when we will occurs next substitution reaction of benzene, then this carbon, these positions we have to know, because this because the next substituent will be attached to this position. Now we have to know that if any substituent is present in benzene atom, then it will indicate that the next substituent will where will attached. To depend on this character, the indicator group we have to know. There are 2 types of indicator. That means 2 types of characters of substituent, which is known as, the first is orthopara indicator group, and the second is meta indicator group. So dear student, say what is orthopara indicator group. Say the definition here. Say that if a substituent is present as a first substituent, then if it indicate the second indicator will be attached to orthopara position, then it will be known as orthopara indicator. Like as alkyl, this is alkyl, this is alcohol group, alkyl group, this is amino group, this is primary amine, secondary amine, tertiary amine, etc. That will be this type of substituent. This is alkoxy one, and this is halide group, etc. This will be act as orthopara indicator group, because if this substituent present in benzene ring as first substituent, then it will indicate the second or next substituent will be attached to the orthopara position. For this, these groups are known as orthopara indicator. Now see the others, meta indicator group. See the definition, the same definition, same as that. If a substituent is present as a first substituent in benzene ring, then if it indicate that the second or next substituent will be attached to meta position, then it will be known as meta indicator group, like as nitro group, aldehyde, that's ester group, carboxylic acid group, cyanide, sulfonic acid group, and etc. These groups act as meta indicator group. Now we have to know that how we can identify this group. Dear student, please let us see that
Yes.
how we can identify which groups are in the meta indicator or which groups are orthomer indicator. We have to know we have to write down the structural formula of this group, like as amino, NH2. If it present at first substituent of benzene, we have to write down the structural formula of amino group or amino radical. If we write it that this is, here we have to see that if there is no second or double or triple bond present with this central atom of others with others atom, then it will be react as orthomer indicator, like as amino group, like as alcohol group or hydroxyl group, like as alkyl group, same as CH3. If we write this, then we will get that. And then see, dear student, there is no double or single bond. That means all of the other atoms attached to the central atom with single bond. Then it will be act as orthomer indicator. But for meta indicator, there will be present minimum one double bond. Look at that for nitro. If we write down this structure, then we will see that there is a double bond with nitrogen and atom. So it will react as a meta indicator group. Another is aldehyde. There is a double bond with carbon and oxygen, between carbon and oxygen atom. So it will react as meta indicator. This is the identification system. Now let us see, like as of phenol. Here is say that here waste molecule is present, which is react as orthomer indicator. Now I want to see, we'll see that how it will react as a orthomer indicator. Dear student, you will see that here two lone pair electrons are present on oxygen atom. This one of come to this benzene, come towards benzene, and here create a double bond because of their three pi bonds are resonance. For the resonance of this electron, it attract this electron, and this electron come towards this benzene atom and here create a double bond. Look at, see, this electron come to benzene and here create a double bond. At the same time, this pi bond will break down, because if this electron come here and make a double bond, then the carbon atoms, the valence will be 5. It will not be possible. So at the same time, this pi bond will break down. So it will be resonance structure, like as that. Here you see that this electron comes here and create a double bond. That means another 5 bond, and this pi bond will break down, and where we see that here is a negative charge increased. In the next structure, we will see that this electron will come between these two carbon atoms, and here we will create a double bond. And at the same time, this pi bond will break down, and this electron will come on this carbon atom. So we can see the next resonance structure, that here we will create a negative charge because of this pi bond has come here and here created a negative charge. But this electron comes here, has come here, and here created double bond. And the next structure, we can see that this electron will come here, and here will be created a double bond, and this pi bond will break down at the same time. So in this position will be created a negative charge, and this pi bond will break down, and it will go this before this position. We will see that this structure, this negative charge has come here, and this will break down, and it will go this its uh, position, and we will see that it will get this lone pair electron, but and there is no pi bond. But here see that here 3 pi bonds has changed their position. So these are the resonance structure, and we have to now numbering this resonance structure. Then we will get 5 resonance structure. So dear student, the explanation is that in this resonance, from this resonance structure, we will see that from 2, 3, and number 4 resonance structure, we can see that here a negative charge, and here a negative charge. That means this from this 3 structure, we can say that in 6, 4, and 2, that means 2, 4, and 6, which is our ortho and para position. We know that 2 and 6, this is 2 and this is 6 position, are known as ortho position, and this is 4 position, which is known as para position. From this structure, we can say that in ortho para position, negative charge has been created. That means electron density has been increased. For this reason, the next electrophile will be attached this position, because electrophile goes this position where they will get electron. As this position are electron increased position, for this the next electrophile has come this position, and for this these are known as orthopara indicator, group. That means we can say that the alcohol or which radical of phenol is known as orthopara indicator. So dear student, at the same way we will discuss about the amino radical of aniline will be react as orthopara indicator. Now see the resonance structure of